Hi guys, in this video we're going to see if plus trim combo together. So earlier we saw if formula combos. So in this video we're going to try with trim. So the first formula we're going to try is without trim. So let's see how difference trim makes. So I'm going to write if, and then I'm going to select the cell reference. So if it is equal to yes, then it should say valid. If it is not yes, then it should say invalid, correct? Now, you see, first I said yes, also I have yes, but it is not giving me the result as valid because I'll show you it has a hidden, you know, empty spaces in each section. So that is the reason it is not giving the accurate result. To do that, I'm going to use the trim formula equals to if, and then I'm going to use trim. Okay, trim what? This section here. So I'm going to close the parenthesis equals to if it is yes, then it should say valid, right? If it is not yes, then it should say invalid. Now you can see if yes is matching, it is reflecting as a valid, and it is reflecting as no for invalid. So it removes the space between these cells and it gives you the accurate results. So you can use when you have huge dump and you want to remove hidden blank spaces, then you can use this trim formula and it will remove all the spaces. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in next video.